Welcome all of you to Computer Science Guidance YouTube channel. In the first video of our channel, we will know about the introduction to DBMS. Before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Without any delay, let's start the video. Before we understand DBMS, we have to understand that what is data? Data is a raw facts which has some existence in the real world. It means, it can be any fact that has meaning in the world. Data can come in the form of text, observations, figures, images, numbers, graphs, or symbols, etc. If we go to see the example of data, then that might be name of person, age, mobile number, gender, address, etc. This is called data. So now the question comes that why do we need data? The simple answer is to get some information from it. So, now you must be thinking that what is information? Let's go on the next slide and know what is information. Information means when data is processed, organized, structured or presented in a given context to make it more useful, it is called information. This is the simple way to understand information. Let's go ahead. Now we understand what is database. Database is a collection of related data and storage area where we store it for retrieving information. If we go to understand database in a simple way, database is a type of storage area which contains interrelated data and we can store data in it, and when we need we can retrieve data as per our requirement through the computer. If we look at this example, employee database will have interrelated data like employee name, phone number, address, salary, date of birth, etc. What is database system? Database system is a system that provides a convenient way to store, retrieve as well as manipulate data. Database management system. There are many points given below about DBMS, so let us understand those points one by one. I believe all these points are written in such a simple way that I don't think I need explain each points. DBMS stands for Database Management System. DBMS is a software or application for maintaining and utilizing database system. We already know what database system is. Next point is database management system follows a specific database model such as network, relational, object or hierarchical model. DBMS follows these models, and all the models I will present a separate video to you, in which we will try to understand each model in detail. Next point is these models use the query language to access the database. All the models mentioned above use query language to access the database. Query means request or task. Commonly used query languages is known as SQL. SQL full form is Structure Query Language. DBMS manages the performance, concurrency, integrity and recovery of database. You have to remember all these points because it may come in your exam. So let's move on to the next slider. Similarly, RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is a DBMS which is based on the relational model. It was introduced by Edgar Frank Ted Cod. RDBMS based on 12 Cod rules. An RDBMS is a DBMS which data and the relationship among the data is stored in tables, that is collection of columns and rows. Difference between DBMS and RDBMS. In DBMS, support relationship between data. In RDBMS, support relationship between tables. In DBMS, it may not follow all the Cod rules. But in RDBMS, it follows all the Cod rules. DBMS is a single user system and RDBMS is a multi-user system. DBMS database example is FoxPro and other side RDBMS database example is Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, etc. If you have any question, doubt, then please tell us through comment box. Let us know how you liked our teaching by pressing like or dislike, by which we can improve our teaching method. Thank you so much for being associated with this video.
This channel main purpose is to provide you quality education above computer science field. So please like, subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.